Beginning news night with the latest that's coming in on that big meeting that the finance minister was holding in the capital after inflation touched a 5-month high. Let's get you the latest. Here's what Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had to say after the meeting.
We had a meeting of various ministries of the government where senior ministers whose departments deal with the subject of rising prices with regard to certain commodities attended the meeting. The secretaries of the concerned departments were also there. The principal secretary to the Prime Minister was also there. There are 22 commodities which are under active observation of the government. And out of these, we were particularly concentrating on commodities where some price fluctuation or increase has been noticed. Now, a series of steps have been decided anticipating any further price hike on account of various factors, and a series of steps have been decided. These are detailed steps. The Department of Consumer Affairs will be issuing a detailed press release just now to you, and all these steps will be underlined. But with regard to the 4-5 commodities where some increase has been noticed, these steps include advising the states where we have seen tendency of hoarding, particularly in anticipation of the fact that you may have a weak monsoon. So those states are being advised to crack down on the hoarders. Additionally, the restriction that certain items can only be traded through the APMCs, states are being advised to delist fruits and vegetables from the APMC list, which means the farmer will have the option of either going through the APMC and the middleman there, or he gets the option of going to the open market itself. With regard to Delhi, the Lieutenant Governor will be advised that tomorrow itself this delisting order with regard to Delhi for all fruits and vegetables be issued. Minimum export price in relation to potatoes will be fixed by the Ministry of Commerce. Also with regard to onions, it has already been fixed today. The Delhi government in particular is being advised with regard to onions to purchase and procure through the public system onions and load them into the market so that through mother dairy outlets and otherwise they can be loaded. Additional quantities of rice will be released into the market. With regard to pulses and edible oils, a line of credit will be extended to the states because it's an OGL, that if in any state they notice a shortage, they should immediately import these items. Now I may tell you that even though the increase has only been marginal, we don't want anybody to exploit the situation, and therefore in anticipation of any further market reaction, a series of these steps have been decided and they are being put in place.
Sir, about minimum export price of potatoes, please clarify that. Has it already been imposed and if so, how much?
It will be imposed, you'll get the detail in the Department of Consumer Affairs press release.
It has not been imposed yet, sir.
It is being imposed, we've just decided, madam.
So you mentioned something about oil and edible seeds. Could you
आज वित्त मंत्रालय में एक बैठक हुई जिसमें जितने भी विभाग सरकार के उन चीजों के साथ संबंध रखते हैं जिनकी कीमतों में कुछ बढ़ोतरी दिखी गई है, वो सब वरिष्ठ मंत्री माननीय रामविलास पासवान जी, राधा मोहन सिंह जी, निर्मला जी, सब लोग वहां मौजूद थे। विभागों के सचिव, प्रधानमंत्री जी के प्रमुख सचिव सब मौजूद थे और वहां देखा गया कि 22 कमोडिटीज ऐसी हैं जिस पे सरकार नजर रख रही है। उसमें 4-5 ऐसे कमोडिटीज हैं जिसमें कीमतों में थोड़ी बढ़ोतरी नजर आई है और इसलिए यह तय किया उसके संबंध में कि जहां जहां होर्डिंग है और इसलिए उसके होर्डिंग की जा रही है कि लोगों को उम्मीद है कि शायद इस बार मानसून पूरी ना हो, तो उन राज्यों को सलाह दी जाए कि होर्डर्स के खिलाफ, जमाखोरी करने वालों के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई करें।